Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is on finding the intersection of two lines. So here we have our first problem. It says find the intersection of the lines y equals 2x plus 4 and y equals 3x plus 1. Now as you can see, they're both in the form y equals. So that means they equal the same. So we can just put 2x plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 1 because both of the values there are y. Now what we need to do is rearrange. So if we get all of the x's on one side, we're going to take 2x away from each side. So that's going to give us 4 on this left hand side is equal to x plus 1. And now what we need to do is get x on its own, so we need to take away 1 from each side. So that's going to give us 3 is equal to x. So our x coordinate for the intersection is going to be 3. But now we need to find our y coordinate. So to do that, we substitute this value for x back into one of our equations. Now it doesn't matter which one we choose. So if we choose our first one here, y is equal to 2x plus 4. We said x is equal to 3. So we're just going to put a 3 in here where our x is in the equation. So we've got y is equal to 2 times 3 plus 4. So y is equal to 6 plus 4. So y is equal to 10. So our point of intersection is 3, 10. So we have our second problem. It says find the intersection of the lines y equals x squared plus 2x and y equals x. So again, they both equal y, so we can just set them equal to each other. So x squared plus 2x is equal to x. Now this is a quadratic, so it has an x squared. So what we want to try and do is get it equal to 0. And how we're going to do that is take away x from both sides to get this right hand side here equals 0. So if we take away x from both sides, we're going to end up with x squared plus x, because we did have 2x and took away 1x, is equal to 0. Now what we can do is factorise out. And our common factor is x. So if we take x outside our brackets, x squared divided by x is going to give us x, and x divided by x is going to give us plus 1. And that's equal to 0. So this now means our x value is either equal to 0, because of this x outside the brackets, that means it's equal to 0, or minus 1, because x plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. Now, just like we did before, we want to substitute them back into one of our original equations to get the y value, and the easiest one to choose is this second one here, y is equal to x. So when our first value is 0, so y is equal to 0. And then our second one we said was minus 1, so y is equal to minus 1. So those are our two intersections of the lines. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below any topics I can make a video on to help you out. Also be sure to check out my social medias, which are all in the description box below.